New day, new video. So seller told that all of my reboot problems just because of my flash card. So I removed it from this perfect, ideal, super duper device, and let's just connect it to the power. So now it's connected to the power, and red cable connected when you turn your engine on. So let's make it on, and as we can see, device starting. Let's take a look on indicators. Seller told that if lights blinking, it works. Okay, no flash card, lights is on, so it works. And let's have a look on power consumption and wait for a while. I don't know what with this device. Seller told that it already have been sold for thousands of this device and nobody complained. Probably I got just this 1% or less device which doesn't work, and I'll just demonstrate that this device doesn't work. It definitely has some defect which makes this device completely damaged. So idea of this device to record video, and it can't. So it just turned it off. Let's probably disconnect it and make it on again. Again, nothing connected to this device, no SD card, just powered it on according to instruction. And now we have a device which start to consume too much power and restart itself. It doesn't work currently, it's just restarting itself, booting again and restarting. From some point it will just disable, and in case it would be the real car, to make it work again you will have to unplug your car battery, which is insane. So as you can see, device restarting and booting, restarting and booting. Now it consumes half of normal power and nothing indicates that it works. I even don't know what's going on with it. Probably it will disable or it will boot and reboot again, I don't know. But it doesn't function properly and you'll not be able to use it as car DVR. Never buy it, never.